Hey guys, it's National Ceiling Fan Day finally, 2020. So first off, we got our Vornado fan in our living room. And yeah, it's been a while since I made a fan video. Then we come to my room. We got some new fans here. Here's the Gulf Coast fan. I think it's on medium. Then here's a Galaxy fan I got. My fan lamp broke. And here's all of my fans. We got this mini Vornado, this bigger Vornado. And we got some new Fanimation fans. So we got two of them. They're both off. This one doesn't work. I don't have a cord for this one. And then we got a Holmes fan, a Massey fan which doesn't work anymore, and then this Wexford fan. And then we got this Tourcraft fan. And we got two heaters not running, a Holmes heater and a Sunbeam heater. We also got this. And we got this. Then I got this heater right here. Now I got a bunch of fans. Then we got this vintage fan right here. I got a week ago. And the switch just came out. You can hear my Daikin unit. Shouldn't be on because it's fan day, not air conditioner day. Yeah, but the GE fan. Well, that's it. Over and now.